Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. So today's video is all about a Charlotte Tilbury unboxing. I'm probably saying the name very wrong, but I'm sorry. It's gonna be an unboxing for some makeup and stuff that I got from her website. They had an amazing deal for Christmas thing of the year. So I went there and I take advantage of that deal so I can try her product. I never hear about her until that moment. Received a big box, so this small box was inside of the big box, so I throw that big box away and I keep, of course, this one to do the unboxing from here. And in that come some papers with information of the order, my address and stuff like that, and this envelope which have some samples of flawless filter, so 2 little samples, and another paper with my order, what I ordered and how many. So actually in that order, some of the makeup product was a good deal, plus they give you a lot of stuff for free. It wasn't bad at all. We gonna start open this box, so everything's supposed to be here. I already cut the tape down here. Ooh, this is amazing. This is so pretty. You guys believe this? Look at that. How cute is that? And look at all these details. It's amazing. So this is the stuff right here. I'm gonna check this little bag first. Look at how nice. It's like a satin bag, pouch. So pretty. It say her name, Charlotte Tilbury, A Sense of Dream. That's what it say from her. So I'm gonna open. This is an amazing little pouch bag. Like, it's pretty big. Like, wow, you can literally carry anything you want there. Oh, I think this one, this sense of a dream, that's the name of the perfume. I got it for free with the order. It's 1.7 ounces. Let me see. I don't know how it smells, but I did the order and then I find out later on when I place my order all the stuff that they give you for free, and some stuff you was able to pick. I was pretty surprised. So this is the bags. It say the key to attraction, like clear the attraction, I guess in French or something, I don't know. They say in both sides. Oh, that's a cute, like a diamond bottom. It's pretty cute. Let me see, guys, what it smells like. Okay, it's a nice smell, but I don't like it. It smells like a strong jasmine. Very strong jasmine. It's too much for me. I don't like it at all. So I'm sorry, but no, I don't like it. I'm just gonna keep it and save it to give as a present to somebody. I don't know, whoever like it, like this kind of perfume. But like it smell like. Wow, it's strong, like very strong. That's not for me. So let's put this away. But I do like this bag though. Okay, let's see what I have here next. Some tissue paper like that. Oh, let me make sure there's nothing here. Oh, this is a nice color. Oh, it's come with this bag. This is like a gift box. Say her name right here. Let me see what is inside here. Come pretty wrapped like this. Everything comes in bubble wrap, which is nice. Okay, first I had this lipstick. I guess it's a lipstick. Yeah, Kissing Falling from the Lipstick Tree. 3.5. Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate. It's pretty, very pretty. All like rose gold. Wow, I like the color. It's like nude. The next item is the Instant Lock in a Palette of 5 minutes face on the go. Ooh. 5 minute face on the go palette. So this is pretty cool. Let's see what is here. The package is amazing. It's so pretty. So pretty. In the back it's telling you what it have is the one brightening eyes. Let me open it. Oh yeah, remember, this is nice. This is what I had right here. It have pretty nude colors, highlighted, smoke for the smoky eyes, cheeks, bronze, brightening eyes, have everything. So perfect for travel because you're gonna have everything here. So just with this and a lipstick, you golden. Next I have these 4 full fat lashes, a 5-star mascara toilet, 5 milligram. Oh, this is a glossy black. Ooh. This is the mascara right here. Nice. So it's like a perfect collection from her, like just to have the perfect makeup. This one is, let me see because I don't even remember. The Flake Quick Fine Lines Pencil. So the eyeliner pencil. Next I have the Brightening Juice Glow Anti-Hanging Color Correcting Glow Poster. So it's right here, and it's this beauty right here. I love the rose gold, guys. It's just amazing. So it's supposed to be like this. The brightening skin. And I think this is the last item right here. Yep, the last one is the Mini Miracle Eyes Wand. Lift and illuminate. This one right here. I think with just this, it's just the perfect package to go for a trip. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell down below so you'll be notified any other time when I post more videos like this. I'll leave you a comment if you already have some of this product or use it, what you think about it, do you like it, let me know down below please. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.